Hello everyone, this is a new video for when you get water inside your headlight, how to remove it and keep it away. In the last video I showed you need to replace this cap of the headlight, and also you need to replace this one. You can get it at the local BMW shop, doesn't cost much. But apparently that wasn't enough. I still get water inside my headlight every time I washed the car. So I thought I'm going to take it all out and replace this. But that's a lot of work and dirt can get in, and there's still a chance it won't succeed. So I thought up a new way. Put a bag in here that sucks up water. You can get it at the local shoe shop. But that is still not enough. You need to create ventilation. Some people drill a hole here or here. Don't do that, because more water will still get in. Also, don't drill here or here, water will still get in. You need to drill here at the highest place possible, but water won't get in from here because it's protected by this cap. And also at the lowest place possible. You need 2 holes to create ventilation. There. And the water will stay away. That's the most easy way and the most effective. Thanks for watching.